Well, the past 7 years has shown, since we've been involved, very successful competition. Great participation by the learners of many schools throughout South Africa from all diverse backgrounds. And we really want to continue that sponsorship because we see the benefit of getting learners to participate and understand what civil engineering is about. So we think it's a great competition and there's no better platform to promote civil engineering.
It borders on exciting projects that can be showcased to the world, giving the youngsters of South Africa an opportunity to see the possibilities, and the possibilities are endless.
The bridge building competition is a challenge. You're given a set of sticks and some glue, and you're meant to produce a bridge. And not just any bridge, it's got to span a certain gap, you've got a whole book of rules that you've got to follow. The requirements are pretty tough, and not understanding stresses and strains and compression and tension and the engineering things, as a high school learner, it's an incredibly challenging experience. But to see your bridge up there carrying these enormous weights and these thin little sticks, it's a really amazing experience. And that it started off that question in me of, how do we do this better? How can we improve on what we have already? And I would say for anyone, that is an incredibly valuable experience to have.
SAICE bridge building competition has really grown from strength to strength over the last few years. It's a fantastic opportunity at grassroots level for young learners who really don't have access to high levels of technology at school or at home, but to really just use their natural science abilities, their natural maths abilities, and their hands. It's a very hands-on competition, so they get to feel what it's like to be an engineer. They get to play with the tools and the toys involved in building the bridges, and I think that's a great way to introduce them into the engineering industry, and eventually hopefully will support them through university, the rest of high school and university, etc.
The number of women in the industry is concerning to us as a company. One of our values is diversity and inclusion, and for AECOM it's truly not about setting targets because it means nothing to us. We want to include people from all sectors of society, and women is very important to us. I want to emphasize that we all internally have recognized that companies who have a good representation of women on their boards throughout the organization have so much better financial results. But above that, it's the principle that we are and we want to become an inclusive society. The global survey on millennials that was recently released by Deloitte, it actually indicates an interesting fact that the outdated thinking of women needing extra time and flexi time for children and family responsibilities is no more. When you recruit young millennials and females, they look at the diversity statistics of the company, and that is an indication for them of whether they want to join this company. A lack of female representation in any company indicates to young people that there is no career path, and we as AECOM want to address that.
We are Midrand High School, and we dare you to take part in the bridge building competition.